How to put a satellite F connector onto a coax cable. You'll need a satellite cable, an F connector, some cutting tools and a wire stripper. A coax cable has four main areas. There is the outer cable, the copper or aluminium shielding, insulation and then the copper core. We take one of our cutting tools and we cut away a section of the outer cable. It leaves us with the copper shielding. We peel back this copper shielding all the way, so we're leaving just exposing the inner insulation. Then take our cutting tool again and we cut away that insulation, leaving the copper core. Tidy up anything that we need to, and then we can screw on the satellite F connector. We can then cut away any excess, and when we do, it leaves us with a small millimetre or two of copper core cable, and the F connector is connected.